Alas is back once again. Nandito po tayo sa Cubao. Naka 20% discount na. Cubao located Ukay-Ukay. Alas in. Nike Kyrie size 9.5, price 2,580, 20% discount. Nike Kyrie. Skechers shoes size 8, price 1,280. Skechers shoes. Adidas Ultra Boost size 9.5, price 1,580. Adidas Ultra Boost. Adidas Ultra Boost size 9, price 1,280. Adidas Ultra Boost. Adidas Superstar price 1,280, size 8. Adidas Superstar. Adidas Ultra Boost price 1,280, size 9. Adidas Ultra Boost. Adidas Dawn Issue price 1,580, size 8.5. Adidas Dawn Issue. Nike Kyrie price 1,580, size 8.5. Nike Kyrie shoes. Mizuno size 9.5, price 1,280. Mizuno shoes. Adidas Dawn Issue price 2,880, size 11. Adidas Dawn Issue model. Adidas Ultra Boost size 9, price 1,580. Adidas Boost. Adidas Ultra Boost size 9.5, price 1,280. Adidas Ultra Boost. Nike shoes running price 1,280, size 9. Nike running shoes. Adidas size 11, price 1,580. Adidas shoes. Converse shoes size 8.5, price 1,280. Converse shoes. Adidas Stan Smith size 7.5, price 880. Adidas Stan Smith strap. Adidas Balenciaga shoes legit original, price 3,880. Balenciaga shoes legit original solid. Balenciaga triple S, triple double white. Balenciaga triple S. Adidas Boost price 980, size 8.5. Adidas Boost. Nike shoes Pegasus price 980, size 8.5. Nike Pegasus. Adidas Ultra Boost price 880, size 9. Adidas Ultra Boost. Inutsuka Tiger size 8, price 680. Inutsuka Tiger shoes. Puma shoes size 10, triple double white, price 980, 20% discount. New Balance size 6, price 680. New Balance. Nike shoes Air Max Bubble price 880. Air Max Bubble. Timberland shoes size 8.5, price 980, price. Timberland shoes. Columbia shoes size 8, price 880. Columbia shoes. Vans size 7, price 680. Vans shoes. Converse size 6, price 580. Converse triple double black. Nike Presto size 8, price 680. Nike Presto. Columbia shoes price 880. Sandals Columbia shoes. Converse triple double black, price 580. Size 5. Converse triple double black. Adidas Price 680. Size 7 Adidas shoes. Alas, magandang gabi sa Okay Shoes. Maraming salamat. Alas, back to back. Thank you.